Hi, Miss Arilda. I was trying to find this book. I really need it, but it's looked like already checked out. Is there any way to reserve it?
Yes, absolutely. If your library account is active, you can reserve the book using our KOHA library system. Have you used the online catalogue before?
Yes.
Okay, great. Let me guide you. Hi everyone, I'm Arilda, your librarian. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to reserve a library book through KOHA. It's a simple and convenient process that allows you to place a hold on the books that you need using KOHA i-LOC at any time and anywhere. Okay, let's start by understanding what reservation is and why it is useful for you.
So, what exactly is a reservation? A reservation allows user to place a hold on a printed library book that is available in IMU University libraries and is currently borrowed by another user. Reservations can be made online through the KOHA i-LOC web or pack using any device, for example, your mobile phone or laptop, at any time and anywhere. This service is also known as click and collect. By using this service, you save time and get notified when the book is ready for pickup. First, go to any browser and search for IMU Library. Click on IMU University Library Portal on the top search result, and you will be directed to IMU University Library Portal page. From the Library Portal, click on the Search Engine tabs and select KOHA i-LOC, and you will be directed to KOHA i-LOC page. Or, you also can directly visit KOHA i-LOC page at koha1.imu.edu.my. Now, log in into your library account by clicking on the Login with IMU email button. Your account dashboard where your name appears at the top right corner once you are in. Now, let's search for the book you need. Within KOHA, there are two ways to search for books: basic search and advanced search. However, for a quick search, use the basic search by typing the title or keywords of the book you are looking for into the search box. For example, if you are looking for an anatomy book, you can enter your search terms like this: anatomy and clinical. Then click the magnifying glass icon to start the search. You can also use quotation marks in your keywords to find results that match the exact phrase. To narrow your search, use the refined search features on the left panel. Once you find your book, click the title of the book you are interested in, and then you will see the Place Hold option on the right panel. Click it to place a hold on the book. Then, choose Pickup Location where you want to collect the book once it's available. You also can set a specific item by clicking Show More option. And choose a specific item and tick on the item you have preferred before confirming the hold. Finally, click the Confirm Hold button to proceed. Please note, if the book you are looking for is currently checked out or already on hold, don't worry, you will still have the option to make a reservation for it. Now, once your reserved book is available, KOHA i-LOC will automatically notify you by email. It will inform you when and where to collect the book. Make sure to collect your book within 7 days to avoid cancellation of the hold. And that's it. You have successfully reserved the book through KOHA. It is easy, quick and convenient.